Hey everyone, what's going on? This is Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive, and can you believe Labor Day weekend is here? What happened this summer? It went by way too quickly. It felt just like yesterday was Memorial Day weekend, and I was telling you that we were finally back together celebrating after a long COVID winter. Well, I know a lot of you guys couldn't make it down for Labor Day weekend, so I figured, why don't I go ahead and film an entire recap of the entire weekend? And so, that's what we're gonna do right now. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's do this. So there you guys go. That was Labor Day weekend 2021. And if you didn't make it down, I'm so sorry. I wish you could have came down and celebrated with us. I just wanted to say one quick little thing before I go. This summer was truly one of a kind. It was unlike anything we ever experienced because of COVID-19. If you remember in my Memorial Day weekend video, I said this was the first time we could finally come back together and celebrate life. And that's what we truly did. Throughout the entire summer, I think I met hundreds of you guys. You guys came over, we took pictures, we hugged, we shook hands, we finally met each other after being stuck up inside because of COVID-19. And it truly touched my heart. I had such a fantastic summer with you guys, and I can't wait for next year, summer 2022, which is a number that I didn't even think was even possible. 2022, come on, right? Anyway, I want to thank you guys once again for your support on my channel. If you actually want to support this channel, you can become a patron on patreon.com. I'll have a link in the description below for you guys to check out, and I want to thank you for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. And as always, I'll see you on the beach. Right now I'm watching the sunset, so I'm gonna sit down right here and enjoy it. I'll see you later. Stay safe. Bye.